Hello guys, welcome back to the How To channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create navigation bar using HTML and CSS 2026. For this, we are going to use Visual Studio Code, and here we are going to enter to our Explorer and select our file or our folder. In this folder, we are going to click on a new text file, and here we are going to create code of the HTML. Once this is done, we are going to Control S, and here we are going to save our HTML. In this case, we are going to put the name to navbar. So let's continue with the CSS file. So we are going to click in File, New Text File, and here we are going to generate or create the CSS file. And for creating the navbar.css, in this case, we can also use the Copilot AI or another tool of AI. In this case, we are going to use the integrated AI. In this case, we are going to put here as a senior front-end developer based on my current HTML structure, generate a model, and select navbar.css file for 2026. Use a dark theme with another new accent color. So we are going to click on send, and here are creating the new file.css. We need to wait to the result or response of the AI, and then we have the created or generated file. As you can see, we have this. When it's done, the thing we are going to do in the navbar HTML is put this code, in this case link rel style sheet, and here we are going to put the same name of the CSS file, in this case is navbar.css, and then we are going to save it. When it's done, we are going to the file explorer, and here we are going to open the navbar.html. And as you can see, we have the final result. In this case, as you can see, we have the title, and here we have the navbar or the navigation bar. As you can see, it's totally functional, and that's it for the video.